ERP modules, what are they and how do they work together in real-life cases? Let's dive straight into the essentials. An ERP, or Enterprise Resource Planning System, is a central system that connects all key functions of your business. Modern ERP are modular, which means that they consist of different modules, and each handles a specific task like inventory, procurement, CRM, finance, human resources, and more. This modularity allows you to only choose the modules you need based on your requirements and budget. But in the long term, you can add more modules when demand increases. So, how do these modules work together? These three key mechanisms will help you understand how things go. First, ERP modules share and synchronize data in real time through a centralized database, ensuring consistency across the system. Second, ERP modules automate processes to improve efficiency. Trigger events and task assignments are based on predefined rules. Third, ERP modules can integrate with other software or systems such as accounting and logistics, mostly through a PI to enable seamless data exchange. Now, let's go through 7 key suites of modules defined by business functions. Finance accounting modules automate important financial activities, such as general accounting, financial planning, budgeting, forecasting, and analysis. Sales, CRM, marketing, automation modules automate your sales lifecycle, from capturing opportunities to creating quotes, processing orders, and managing customers. Inventory and warehouse management modules optimize inventory movement, track stock levels across multiple warehouses, and predict future demand for better decision-making. Human capital management modules manage the most valuable asset or employees, automating HR procedures, optimizing payroll management, and creating an engaging workforce. Manufacturing modules help you optimize production planning, manage work orders, control costs, improve quality, and reduce waste. They can integrate with other modules like inventory and procurement to ensure materials are available when needed for production. Project management module helps you execute projects with timely completion and tight budget control. It creates a single source of truth for managing tasks, allocating resources, tracking progress, and communicating with stakeholders. Website builder and e-commerce modules allow you to build and monitor an e-commerce ecosystem in the ERP, from creating a website and managing products to integrating online selling platforms. Now, if you're wondering about how a real company makes use of ERP modules, let's study the case of Presien. Presien is a newly formed startup spun out of multinational construction and engineering company Laing O'Rourke. It aims to use artificial intelligence to make construction and mining worksites safer. Presien faced challenges in finding a single integrated solution for its various business needs. Traditional ERP were too costly and time-consuming for the startup. It needed a cost-effective system to manage multiple departments without heavy IT resources. Presien found Odoo, a powerful modular ERP, as their ideal solution, and reached out to Havi technology for support. The following 5 Odoo modules set the foundation for Presien's transformation. Firstly, Odoo's integrated purchase and inventory modules streamline stock management, reduce manual tasks, and ensure accurate data. Secondly, real-time manufacturing order management in Odoo speeds up production and improves team communication. Lastly, integrated CRM and sales modules improve customer communication and accelerate sales cycles. Selecting and implementing the right ERP modules depends mostly on your business industry, current processes, and more. A careful analysis of your business helps you know exactly which suite of modules you need from an integrated ERP. Make sure to do your research and find a consulting partner who can help you navigate the selection process smoothly.